So this is we're going to be running the Kerneldao airdrop. This is a mega drop that's currently ongoing for like 4 days. Binance. You just have to click this button right here, more, so you can see more of what is to come. I think Wallet Connect is listing on Binance. This is crazy. So you select more. Once you click on it, then you scroll down to you find mega drop. Another way you can go about this is you can either search for it here, just search for it here, mega drop, or you can scroll down till you find mega drop. But here I have it in my recommended because I just opened it recently. Let me just manually get to it. So you just be scanning through it. Mega drop, mega drop, mega drop. Thereabout, sure. So you can just type it in to search for it, and then you probably find it. Okay, here it is. So here it is, mega drop. So then I click on it. You then go to it. I just finished doing the task right now, so I'm just going to give you vivid detail on how to go about it. Participants 1 million, ending in 4 days time thereabout. So you select the Kerneldao airdrop. So great. So there's two ways you can go about this. You can either perform the quest, or you can lock up some of your BNB. I think the minimum lockup is 0.1 BNB. So if BNB is $600, the minimum you can lock up is 10% of it, $60. So thereabout, yeah. So I'm not participating in this one for now. I'm just doing the normal quest. So you then select the quest. You select the quest right here. Good. So once you're there, I just did this basically now. Once you're there, this is what it's gonna look like. You're gonna see basically buttons like this. Here's gonna show verify to verify that you've done the quest. Then here's gonna show start quest. Okay. So once you click on the start quest, it will then take you to your Binance Web3 wallet. We know where our Binance Web3 wallet is. So once you click on this quest, it will then take you to your Binance Web3 wallet. Okay, doing them manually. Set wallet. So this is how to get your Binance Web3 wallet. And just in case. So this is the Web3. This is your Web3 wallet. This is our normal exchange, and this is the wallet. So you select this, then it will now take you to your Binance wallet, Web3 wallet. So once you're here, you then head over to Discover. Okay, you head over to Discover. So discover, this is where you're going to see all the tasks. Then this is where you're going to see task. Then this is where you're going to see your assets. Now, to start this, to officially start the task, you need to have BNB. So you can either deposit BNB into your Binance wallet, or you can just send it straight to your Web3 wallet right here. So in case you want to send it, you just go to receive. Once you head over to receive, the minimum you can use to participate in this task is around $8 to $10. I did $10 just to be safe. So okay, so once you click on receive on the Binance wallet to show you withdraw from your Binance exchange. So remember we had the Binance up here. We had the Binance up here. Then we had the wallet up here. So from your Binance exchange, so we have to withdraw from Binance itself. So to withdraw directly from there. Then if you have it in maybe Bybit or a different exchange, you can use this receive token through address. Then it will show you your wallet address that you can send your BNB token into, and that is what you're going to use to partake in the quest. Okay, then you select BNB, and then that's it. Or you can search for BNB also. Then remember, obviously this is the BNB we're using, not OP BNB. So this is the BNB chain. So you select it, then you get to see your wallet address. So you can also buy, you can probably buy BNB, or if you have it in a different exchange, then good. So you just copy it, paste it in your, in your other wallet address so that you can send it here. So you can send a minimum of like $10, $8 to $10 to participate in this. And once you're done with it, you can immediately withdraw your money. But I prefer to just keep on staking mine. There's no really rushing it since it's just a 4-day task. Okay, so this you head to Discover to see the task. You can also access this place from the Binance wallet itself. The Megadrop page. You can access this from there. So this is how many Web3 tasks I've done. You select join now. You join it now. So once you're here, you can see this is basically the Megadrop page. So we can see this is when it starts, 9th of 4, that's like yesterday. Then this is when it's ending, 14th. So basically, this is roughly 5 days. Okay. Then trading opens when it also ends also. Yeah. So, okay. So I've gone through this. So you open the Web3 request. So like I said, you're going to see two things showing you verify. That's when you've done the quest, or start. This is to start the quest. So just a quick run through. Let me just give you an idea. Let's go through the tutorial together. I just finished it now, so I'll just make it very super easy to understand. Thank you for your interest in the Kernel Mega Drop. This is nice. Campaign period from 9th of 4th, 9th of April to 13th of April, 12 p.m. 12 a.m. UTC. So this is step-by-step process. Okay, so first you open the Binance app, obviously. Open the Binance app, search and navigate the Megadrop page. Okay, we've gone through that. Then enter kernel Megadrop page from the list and scroll down to enter quest detail. Remember, I told you that there'll be verify, then start quest. So after you've clicked on the kernel airdrop, this is what you're going to see next: verify and start quest. In the quest detail page, tap start now. Very good. So once you start now, this is exactly how it's going to look like. This, it will take you to this page here. What you're going to see is stake AS BNB or stake normal BNB. I staked, not I took, but I staked normal BNB. I was trying to swap to this AS BNB, but it didn't go through. So I just kept to my, kept to what I'm familiar with. So you can see staking minimum 0.01. That's nice. So I staked, not stook, I staked BNB. Really nice. Start the quest. After clicking on staking BNB, it shows staking AS BNB or staking normal BNB. So I chose normal BNB. So this is where to take you to. So right now you have to now deposit the money you already have on your wallet. Okay, so first of all, like I said, you have to connect your wallet. You just tap on the button and connect your wallet. You can click anywhere. Then you put the exact amount you want to deposit. So like I said, 0.013 is the minimum, around $8 to $10 thereabouts. So you connect your wallet. Let me connect this right now. Binance wallet. Okay, very good. So once it's connected, to show you your balance right now, remember, deposit your balance. So I've already deposited mine and I've done the quest, so you cannot go to withdraw. So you can see the exact amount I staked. But normally you can actually withdraw this right now. Just input the amount you want to withdraw, but I'm deciding to leave it here till it lists because there's really nothing. Just want to be patient with them till they list. So yeah, so that's just this for that. Then so deposit once you input the amount. Let's say 0.01 thereabouts. 0.014. Okay, then you go ahead to deposit it, then you sign the messages and that's it. You're basically done. Then like I said, you go back to the task page and then click on verify and then you're good to go.